The question of whether St. Lucia's agriculture sector is in decline under the current St. Lucia Labour Party SLP government has become a central and contentious issue in the national political discourse. The opposition United Workers' Party, UWP, is staunchly criticizing the incumbent administration, claiming the island's agricultural sector has been relegated to the forgotten back burner, leading to widespread suffering among thousands of farmers and their families.
The United Workers' Party knows their pain. We've walked the farms, spoken to the families, and listened to their stories. We've heard from widows who struggle to buy food, from elderly farmers who can't afford their medication, and from children whose parents gave everything to the banana industry but were forgotten when times got tough. This is not justice. This is not fairness. And this is not the St. Lucia we believe in.
Bradley Fulgence, the UWP-endorsed candidate for Dennery North, is spearheading the opposition's critique of the incumbent SLP, while championing the UWP's Save Our St. Lucia SOS plan with a particular focus on a proposed relief package for farmers.
Under this plan, every banana farmer who dedicated years of their life to the industry but was unable to make contributions to the National Insurance Corporation will receive a monthly payment from the government. Yes, you heard right. Monthly payments, a steady income, a well-deserved thank you from the nation they helped to build. The United Workers' Party will ensure family members of farmers who have passed within the last 5 years receive a one-time payment, a gesture of gratitude and remembrance for their loved ones' years of contribution. This is not charity. It is justice, long overdue justice for the people who fed this nation and kept our rural communities alive. Under the Save Our St. Lucia program, payments will be made directly through the Ministry of Agriculture in partnership with the NIC local farmers cooperatives, especially in communities like Dennery, Micoud, Mabuya Valley, Sozel, Soufre, Vieux-Fort, and Roseau Valley, where banana farming has been a way of life for generations.
Guy Joseph, the deputy political leader of the UWP, echoed the deep disappointment regarding the current trajectory of the island's agricultural sector.
Tout moun ki sorti a Valley a Dennery, ek tout moun ki sort a Valley cul-de-sac ek Roseau, ek sa sorti Micoud, n'importe côté en Saint-Lucie, that agricole te ka fait en pile travail là, ou kay d'accord avec moi, that se commune sa ka souffert en pile jodi a, because fig pa manière ite encore, ek whole sector agriculture ha hen koy affecté. Ek nou pokotan yon rapport from government as pou ki sa yo kay fe bay farmer, ki man yo kay wanje situation bay se farmer.
Joseph delivered remarks in Creole, calling for full buy-in into the opposition's election pledges if re-elected into power.
Pa fe tête ou fait ou mal about ki sa ki kay passe. Because a pa di ou kay jwen pension, change nou ka me health insurance a place ba ou. Si ou ni ti yish ki ka ale sa Alpha Louis Community College, ou pa kay ni pou paye tuition ba yo, sa an ba plan flambeau encore. Nou kay baisse prix gas, ni cooking gas ek ni gas pour machine. Nou kay tiye 2% et demi health and security levy that Labour Party me asou. Tout ça kay mene soulagement. Le ou gade se plan ça that nou ka présenter là ba ou. Ek ou sav le nou te promet 5 to stay alive, 5 pour être vivant, nous délivrer asou ça. Et kou sa nou ka promet tout ces 7 différents bagay sa ki kay mene soulagement bay Jean Saint-Lucie qui kaywen des situations flambeau comme ça Philippe J. Pierre kouye élection et kou vote ban nous kay délivrer à sous ces bari ça ba ou.
National issues and promised solutions are expected to dominate the airwaves as the election campaign progresses.
I want you to know that we have a real plan.